Hey, good morning everybody. Big Al here, Big Al's Fishing Edition. I'm finally here, Sand Hollow State Park. We're on a family vacation. Everyone's at the Airbnb, sleeping in. You know what I'm doing? I'm fishing. Let's get after it. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. All right, we got one. Oh, we got a big one too. All right, I think we got the first fish of the day. Oh, it's got some fight to it. Oh yeah, we got a decent one. We got a decent one, guys. All right, skunk is off, baby. Skunk is off. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, first one of the day. Skunk is off, baby. All right. First bass of the day at Sand Hollow. All right, let's let it go. Thank you, thank you. All right. Oh, nice one. I'm all wrapped up. Got all wrapped up in my net. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Number 2. I'll take it. I'll take it, baby. All right. Thank you. That's number 2. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. That was sick. That was sick. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Right. That was sick. I seen it bite it on the Garmin. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. All right. Number 3. Trying to figure him out. All right. Thank you. That was sick. That was sick. Let's go. There it goes back down to the depths. Let's go. That was sick. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Right below me. Let's go. Let's go. Number 4. Come on, baby. Nice. Let's go. A little chunky one. There we go. You choked it. You choked it. I choked it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Choke that thing. Thank you, buddy. Let's go. Nice. There he goes down. There he goes down. All right. I like that little spot I was in. Let's get back over there. Here he goes way down there. He's dropping, he's dropping. He's dropping. Going down to the bottom. Sweet. Another one, that's number 5, but we have some problems with my pontoon. I think I might sink. Better get over to the shore before it gets crazy. Dang it. Hey, I'm stranded, waiting for a jet ski to come get me because my pontoon's got a hole in it and there's no way I'm making it back. But hey, might as well do some fishing, huh? That's number 8. There we go again. That's number 9. Yeah, let's go. So awesome. Yeah. I ain't letting it lose my phone. Well, there comes my rescue as I'm catching a fish. Get over these rocks. That's my rescue. Oh, that's a nice one. That's the biggest one of the day. Nice. All right. All right, here comes my rescue as I catch a fish. Nice. Hey, I might as well fish while I'm stranded. All right. So, this side was going flat. There's no way I was gonna make it back unless I had a pump. I got a pump in my truck, or let's see, want to.
Is your truck at this dock?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want us to just take you to?
Yeah, if you can just take me
To the dock?
Or tow me back, either way.
Like, we can put you on one of our jet skis and then tow your little thing to the dock right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You guys are awesome, thank you. As I catch a fish, as my rescue comes. Whatever you need me to do. You guys are awesome. So you're gonna be on YouTube, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Do you YouTube?
Yeah, got my own fishing channel.
Nice.
My first rescue.
It's us. Alright. Hopefully I don't slip.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'll take your boat.
Okay.
If you need to like put anything on the jet ski, you can.
Yeah,
really
with my
slow.
there's no weight on it. With my big weight on it, we'll be just fine.
Okay.
So let me get this. Let me find a place.
There's just this little hook.
That should be good. Yeah.
Okay. And then if you, I'm gonna start. If you want to like push it out of like this area as I go, I'm gonna have you hop on with her.
Okay. Thanks for your guys' help.
Yeah, please.
Pretty embarrassing, but hey.
Oh no, you're good. Grab the nose and then we can flip around.
All right. Perfect. These are awesome. Push away from this rock. There we go. All right. Well, I got rescued from the Sand Hollow rental place. Two nice girls came with their jet skis and towed me back. Yep, I got a hole in the pontoon. Wasn't making it back, but hey, it was a good day. I caught 12 bass. Probably would have caught a lot more if I didn't get stuck. Hee hee, I'm safe. Hi everybody, thanks for watching. That was an adventure. Hey, what's up everybody? Big Al here, Big Al's Fishing Addiction. Do some family fun. So I got an air leak in my pontoon. So you know what? We rented a big pontoon. Let's go do some fishing, have some fun. Thanks for watching everybody. Yeah.
Were you
Yep.
Oh my gosh. I'm launching you.
Yep, now you're launching me. You say